welcome back. I am going to now decorate my tree. I did another video about how I lowered the tree so that it's closer to the floor because I don't put gifts under my tree and I like the look of it being on the floor. So I'll put a link to that up here and also in the description below. And now I'm going to do this in a woodland theme, and I bought these little duster refills. These little pads, and I'm going to use these as artificial snow. So let's get started. So I had 2 packs of 20 of these little duster refills, and so I have 40 total that I'm going to put on the tree. Close up of how the snow looks. Aren't those cute? Alright, so for this tree, I'm only using gold and white ornaments, and I'm also using a lot of little woodland forest creature ornaments. And I'll put some links to the ornaments in the description as well. I always like to start with one color. I do one color at a time or one theme at a time. That way I know I have that color dispersed throughout the whole tree. And be sure to hang ornaments back in your tree, back in the middle. That way it's good and full. To the woodland animals. I have just all different kinds. I have a bunch of little owls, little hedgehog, another owl. Got these little cabins. Said I don't put gifts under my tree, so that's why I lowered the tree, but I do like a little something around the bottom. So I've got several more of these type of things that look woodsy. And I'll just set them around. Okay, so here is my finished woodland Christmas tree. I just love it. I've been doing this tree for several years now. And I'll have a link below to my Amazon store where you can buy a lot of these ornaments and the little dusters that I use for the snow. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I'll be bringing you more design tips and DIY projects, things that you can do yourself. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything.